But today riding from Strippelden to Almere Muziekwijk. It's about expect a 20-minute drive maybe. It's about 8:30 I believe. So the sun's down. We have a little bit of light left. It looks quite nice. So here we're on the Evenaar. Fucking hate this. It's a 50 kilometers per hour road. All the way through Almere Buiten. It's one lane back and one lane forth. And it's got a bunch of fucking speed bumps. It's got a bicycle path all the way alongside it. There's also a lot of accidents with people going right from this lane to cross the bicycle path then. But then a bicycle has the right of way. So a lot of people... Hey! Whoa! 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 What the fuck? What? Hij gaat me bijna dood. As I was saying, look, it's a fucking shit design, man. But Jesus, literally what I was fucking... Holy shit. Was not a lot of fucking distance between that, man. Whoa, that's a clip. Whoa. Fuck. Yeah, but no, it happens here a lot. Not usually on this road. People need to use their eyes a little bit more. It more so happens when people take, like, for example, like here. This is not the most common point, but they take a right here and they have to give right of way to the bicycle path. And that often does not happen because people just look to it this way, then they cross, and then they don't also look if there's someone on the bicycle path. It mostly does happen with e-bikes and mopeds, mostly just because they are way faster than anyone else on the road. So the people in the cars here are not expecting them to be doing 30, 35 even, maybe 40 over there. So that often does cause accidents. Honestly, my heart is still a little bit beating faster from that. It's actually crazy. I'm literally talking about it, and you get an example exactly of why this fucking road sucks ass. I think because my camera's on my right side of my head, it might not be as properly on camera. We'll see. I'll check everything when I get home. Kinda curious how it looked. But dude definitely was not looking. I can say that much. Okay, so I'm going left or right here? I'm doing left. So I'm taking the roundabout across a little bit. Taking a bit of a detour. I don't feel like taking a piece of the bicycle path, so I'm going the completely legal way, I guess. Which does take, I think, 5 or maybe it's even a little bit more minutes longer than the fastest way would be, which would just take a little bit of bicycle path. Actually, the fastest way would be a lot of a shortcut, but that would be only bicycle path, so I'm not doing that. Spoorbaan, it's the biggest bike, I think it's a bike highway in Europe. I think it's about 20 something kilometers longer, almost 18, and it's just a very wide bicycle path that honestly I could drive 100 kilometers per hour on it with the scooter, no problem. There's no speed cameras there either. I do think they might be planning to place speed cameras there. I honestly do think for the safety it would be good. So, yeah. Are you going left? Are you going right? Choose a side. Man, what's with these people? Come on. Pay some attention. No indicator, no nothing. This guy can really drive. Werkverkeer. I think this is only during daytimes that they're working anyway, so for now it should be 50 anyway. I kind of want to wash my scooter. I don't want to do it so far, and it's getting kind of chilly now with the sun gone, so I'm gonna leave it for tomorrow again. You're taking off, perfect. There's one car behind me. Right. back on... Is this already the Cinema Drave? I do think this is already the Cinema Drave. Wind's definitely getting a lot colder now, so I am more than happy that I have this grip warmer, electric grip warmer. So it's just with LEDs, 5 modes, keeps my hands nice and toasty. Although the wind still gets to it, obviously, but it lessens the pain, I guess. It's not even pain. I would actually recommend, by the way, to if you're an all year round moped driver or a motorcycle, same thing. Take the heated grips. I paid like 60 for them. You can get them cheaper. These are Cosso from Cosso, but you can get a no-name brand for 30. And honestly, I think the no-name brand for 30 I had was better than the 60 ones from Cosso I have now. But anything will be good, honestly. I'm just gonna go merge right behind here. I can take a left on here. Do I want to go that way? No, I go this way. I go this way. Just thinking what way I want to go through the city. I can avoid most of the city, but I would have had to go straight on there. And if I go this way, I go through the city. Actually, no, I can skip the same. I can skip the same route, of course. I completely forgot. Right, I'm making all of these lights on orange. It's perfect. Normally, if I don't take one light on orange or green, then all of them I have to stop, because then every time I have to accelerate, and then by the time I get there, it's already like red. See, that's perfect here. What? One straight way to the city. Now we're just gonna avoid most of the city itself. Don't feel like going there. This is red. Come on. Thank you. Then I want to go left. Perfect. I always like it when I don't have to put my feet on the ground. Okay, so it's Monday, so it's not that busy around here. Perfect. Let's go. That's what we like to see. Can go straight on. And big number 33. At some point, I thought I was passing by here a couple times and I couldn't read the name that was next to it, and it had something like a V at the start. So I honestly thought it was like some kind of Verstappen store, but it's very obviously not. What the fuck is coming up behind me? What is that? That's a quad? I can't tell. It's a quad. It's a Can-Am. So I'm actually looking not for this, but I'm not a fan of a tricycle. But when I have my driver's license for the car, I do want to get a quad. Just a small one, like a 180cc to maybe 250cc. Just something fun to play around with around here. Something with a license plate, so I can take it on the road and I can take it off road without being in too much, without getting myself in too much trouble. Ah, come on, man. Oh, let's go. I don't know what these lights got with me tonight, but they are nice to me. I was looking in my mirror with a quad coming up behind me, and it's like a ton of lights. Like 6 or 7 different white lights, and they're quite wide also, because it's not a small vehicle like a motorcycle. So honestly, I was not knowing what was coming up behind me, and I knew it was too low to be a car. Come on. They've been so good the whole time, and now they're gonna make me wait for nobody. Oh well. You can't have everything. Although, this shouldn't be the case if they, yeah, okay. Took too long, honestly, but it's fine. Right, and we're back. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on another ride.